This is MSG, and today I'm going to be testing out whether or not egg fried rice tastes better with MSG or without MSG. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So egg fried rice is basically like a mix and match dish. You can add any vegetable or protein you would like, but you must add some green onions, 1 shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 eggs. For the shallot, I finely diced it. And for the green onion, I sliced it into thin pieces. And for the garlic, you can mince it or press it through a garlic press. And now you're just gonna grab a bowl and add in 2 eggs. And for the other egg, you're just gonna add its egg yolk. And now we're ready to cook our egg fried rice. Now you're gonna preferably grab a large wok, or you could use a large pan also, and coat it with avocado oil, enough so it can coat the bottom of the pan. And then add in your veggies. I used broccoli and mushroom for mine. And then you're gonna start crisping up the veggies, and then set them aside onto a different bowl, and add in your carrots, garlic, and shallots, and cook those till the garlic is fragrant. And then add in your egg, and you're gonna cook it until it's fluffy, but it doesn't have to be fully cooked. Then add in your rice. I used day-old rice, which I cooked yesterday, but you can use fresh rice also. And now you're just gonna let that crisp up until it becomes crispy, about like 2 to 3 minutes. So now you're gonna add in your soy sauce and sesame oil, and you can optionally add hoisin too. Now add in all of your veggies that you pre-cooked and your green onions. Now you're just gonna pick up your wok and just start tossing your rice. It's gonna take some practice, but you'll get used to it pretty quickly. So now, before we put our MSG, I'm gonna set some egg fried rice aside for our taste test. And now you're gonna add in half a teaspoon of MSG. Now, whoa. What even is MSG? MSG, or monosodium glutamate, is a common seasoning that makes food taste more savory. It comes from glutamic acid, which is something you already get naturally from foods like tomatoes, cheese, and mushrooms. Instead of adding its own strong taste, MSG works by boosting that umami flavor, the rich, savory taste that makes food more satisfying. For a long time, people thought MSG was harmful, but research has shown it's safe to eat in normal amounts. While it is safe to eat, YouTubers like Bobby Parrish disagree.
They put MSG in there. Don't let anyone else fool you. MSG is horrific for our health. It tricks your brain into craving more of the food.
So whether or not you think it's safe to eat, we still need to finish our egg fried rice. So let's get back to the video. Now you're just gonna mix the egg fried rice until the MSG is incorporated, and your egg fried rice is ready. Now let's get on to our taste test. Okay, so this one is without MSG and this is with MSG. So let's try it out. So I'll try out the without MSG first. I mean, this is good egg fried rice. It's like your standard Chinese takeout. But now let's try it with MSG. Wow, that really like balances out the flavors. It's like makes the flavors like complete. It's like tomato soup without a grilled cheese. I mean, you need a grilled cheese, but don't take my word for it. Let's bring out my brother and my sister. Okay, so this is my sister. What is your name?
Elizabeth.
How old are you?
5.
5. Okay. This is my older brother. Younger brother. He's David. And how old are you?
11.
So, you can grab a spoon and try out the without MSG. So which rating do you give right now for this?
7.5.
Okay. What about you?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Nice. So now try out the with MSG. Okay. Is it better?
Yeah. It just feels like we're 90% of the way over here, and then we're like 100% right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What about you?
Well, I rate it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Nice. Okay, well, it seems like MSG tastes better than without MSG. So, I hope you guys try this out. Make sure to like
Comment
and subscribe.
Bye.